About the emergence of second-generation iPhone Southeast or iPhone Southeast 2 increasingly burst since a few months ago. Now a recent issue calls the iPhone Southeast 2 that comes with the latest technology like that has been applied to the iPhone 8 and iPhone X. This was originally based on Sachin Bhatt's writing on the Dix24.com page, which was compiled based on information from a trusted source. iPhone Southeast 2 will be equipped with a rear body made of glass. Surely this is a change in itself, because the body of the previous iPhone Southeast is made of aluminum. As is known, Apple uses glass material for the rear body of the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone X to support wireless charger. Could be Apple did the same thing on the iPhone Southeast to 4-inch size is to provide a different look of its predecessor while presenting new features that can be enjoyed. By using glass on the rear body to support wireless charging on all iPhone models, including the affordable iPhone model iPhone Southeast, Apple seems to want to make wireless charging as the next technology. Although present with glass body, Apple apparently will not remove the audio jack, unless Apple holds back or needs space to increase battery capacity. Just to remind, the iPhone Southeast is currently powered with A9 chips like those used on iPhone 6s that released late 2015. Meanwhile, for iPhone Southeast 2 is expected to be present around March or April 2018 is likely to use the A10 chip as used on the iPhone 7. The iPhone model Southeast translated almost 2 years ago as a pocket-friendly smartphone and the answer for consumers who want a small sailing device. Earlier on iPhone 2018, Vice President of iPhone and iOS Greg Joshwiak said iPhone Southeast is the most powerful 4-inch smartphone in all Apple product line. He mentioned, iPhone Southeast is a combination of iPhone 5 and iPhone 6. Uniquely, the design of iPhone Southeast remains faithful to the iPhone 5/5S main concept. While the specifications are better, we're one level with the iPhone 6s. Right in the heart of the nearest iPhone Southeast Apple A9 processor with motion coprocessor M9. Specifications are the same as the iPhone 6s specifications, he said. Not only that, another feature that is featured on the iPhone Southeast is the presence of a side camera with 12-megapixel resolution MP with dual-tone flash and able to shoot live photos. iPhone Southeast sells for $399,